Welcome. In front of me is an Elephone P8000 and I will show you how to access the FastBoot mode on this device. We'll need to start by powering up the device. Do so by holding the power key and selecting power off. And confirm it. Now once the device will power off, which will be indicated by the vibration as it was right now, we will hold power button and volume up together, so these two. And from here you will have the second option, which is FastBoot. Now we will use the volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm it, so like so, as you can see the arrow moving, and it's the second option out of the three. So once you're on the second one, just tap on volume down, and we're now in FastBoot mode. So that is how you enter it, and if you want to leave it, you will just hold power key till the phone shuts off. And it's shut off, and now once more to power it back on. And it should turn on back normally. So that is basically how you enter and also exit the FastBoot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.